Good afternoon, dear subscribers and guests. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Peaches continue. How do you pick the right one? Truly ripe peach are always incredibly juicy. Of course, you can only really tell once you take a bite. Luckily, it's very easy to judge ripeness just by looking and feeling. Pick up a peach. It should feel warm and yielding in your hand, like a slightly springy bowl, not a hard rock. And the main thing to look for is a strong, rich, fruity aroma. How do you wash them? Delicate fruits need to be handled gently but washed thoroughly. To avoid bruising the flesh, it's best to soak peaches in cold water for about 5 minutes first, then rinse them under running water.
Gently going over the entire fuzzy surface with a soft dish sponge.
Now, how do you store them? If you ended up with firm, unripe peaches, they'll ripen up beautifully on the windowsill. Just pop them into a paper bag, and here's a little secret: add some green apples. These fruits release a gas called ethylene, which helps speed up the ripening process. However, things can move pretty quickly, so keep an eye on them to make sure they don't overripe. Ripe peaches, especially if you've brought them in from the heat, should sit at room temperature for a bit, and then it's best to move them to the fridge. That's all for today, but as always, there's more to come. Stay with us. It's going to be interesting.